brother. Oh, Sinachi, sister. Oh, Sinachi. You can't do vibrato, you can't Sinachi. That's vibrato.
Okay.
All free time.
Anyway, then the video of
you don't see that gay way hair just the fall everywhere.
You go one question. You go call that thing gospel song. What you go call them? I been inspirational. I been what you go call them?
I like that way you call inspirational.
Inspirational. You like that one, Abi? So you not be gospel artist?
No, I'm not.
So make I ask you now, how you take get those?
Chris Automoto say, I love this song. No Wazobia Redus, no Hennessy, no crazy man dance. Yours is sweat song.
Somebody say, please, what's the meaning of Osinachi? It means say na from God. If from Akwaya, it's from God. That be the meaning of Osinachi. Humble with him, I do think so. Now advert that one won't do for our show. I will not do advert for you.
Wow, Anthony imagine that say humble sweet in the studio guy. I too love that song from day one. I beg no sell out. Begin they sing uku later.
Hey, my brother, you sure say you never hear the song where Hindu? Hey, you never hear the new ones where they ground. My Bugatti.
I know that one.
You know that song? I know Bugatti. Now, make I ask you, those girls where they for that choir. The usual question. So, you know how they take join the video?
Nah, normal video now. You know, they'll call people when they do what the guys do. You understand?
Okay.
So,
okay.
Now then bring them come.
Now models then be.
Okay. Why models?
No, make I ask you now. So after the video, you can't tell those guys thank you. You can't go your way, and then can't go their way.
Oh God.
We know.
You know, say the choir got na costume.
Na costume.
Carry on Congo, carry on.
The risking go show.
So after the video, you understand? They stay my outside. So after the video, they go their way. Me, I go my way.
Yeah.
So you say thanks for coming.
The content and thank you.
No, be film with the shoot now. It's not for film they do thanks for coming, maybe thanks for waiting. No. So after the video, they go their way.
They can't go. Then you can't stay. You just
me,
only you want can't go.
I see the church now because I need
okay, see the picture. You can't need to pray.
No, you pray alone. You can't pray by yourself.
Because of saying in the line, I make him manager the squeezes.
Kesolo,
do that thing.
That thing. Thank you.
Nedu just like this. I never see person. Since he enter inside this
when this guy enter studio, now humble Smith manager, he never swear. Nothing.
You know, answer you. You can't carry face like Frank Donga.
What do you do?
Nothing. Make you no go beat you for now.
No, it be like on a go show, they not bring balance.
Maybe they go show, they not bring balance. If doctor say, humble Smith, when they go, they do show now. I hope they go pay us. I hope they go pay. Kessel, I beg, show his slippers. I don't know. Kessel, I beg, show his slippers.
Now gold slippers.
Now gold. All these kind girls, where they carry vanity case. Vanity bags. My brother.
Since he come inside, now so he
you're there.
Hand like this.
Maybe he just since he wear woman bag, since he wear woman slippers.
Okay.
He sure say
my
no. Wait. He go babe house. Then the babe. Wait. Now you go. Now me him go. Is it your go?
I don't know.
He go babe house. As he come go the babe house, then the babe come maybe tell him.
Yes.
You know, already pull shoe. Say, let us arrest. You know, say you want to do it. No, you don't do anything.
He just want rest, lie down. Just
lie down, rest. Then the girl come tell and say, baby,
you know, say
I don't. That thing we will do that. The collaboration.
Yes.
Oh, collaborate. The collaboration will collaborate that time. It has resulted to. Puts me in a family way. Okay. So now the girl comes say, let me use the toilet. So as in now,
get up.
Or what? Instead of making whole shoe, it's his slippers. Or what?
He take off.
Now, when he reach road, I say, hi, now this girl slippers are wear.
So you consider here they think the matter.
My brother, if you know what is good for you, go back to that girl because that girl go use that your shoe, they swear for you.
Yes.
And accept responsibility. Hey God. Because now you first shall put off the lights.
Wait, tell us about your performance for because before we enter your matter, tell us about your performance for Sheilo show because you tear that performance for Sheilo.
I don't know.
You said watch her now.
I say,
You see?
I said, wait, man, can't get the whole show.
Okay, see what happened. Last year, just before I graduated from school, Ebonyi State University, now in State, now there school. So I do my last show for there, invite Sheilo. And Sheilo actually stole the show, he steal the show. He can't be like, I'll not be comedian again. Since that day, I don't tell myself, any day Sheilo will do show.
You promise
And the way I thief my own.
return back to
You say you got thief in
I
you.
go thief your own. And aside that, if you notice what I talk now, reality for that.
I bet talk the things that you talk.
They be truth now. The first thing when I talk now,
from the bed to the bed.
and all these Nigerian musicians, thank God say this one day. I don't know what they give them inspiration. They go just begin the write. Whether they feel say we be mumu, no.
I don't know, my brother.
The recent one at Davido. You see song now. I remember then when the guests now they come around. When I had no money in my bank account, how? No, but you tell us you be Omo Baba. And you just graduate this year. No, charity they take pay your school fees.
My brother, and a private university you go.
Private university say no get money in bank account. Even if the girls not come around, you know say the school boys and girls they know they miss. So the girls cannot come around. Now Christian school.
And what did Nyanya do you?
I don't know. No. That one, I like that song. I like that song. You know why I like that song? Because the way the song take flow, I couldn't surprise. Nyanya say he go solve mathematics, he go do chemistry, he go do this. He sabi all this is not the math. He sabi all this is not go project. He almost teach. Sabi all these courses, all these subjects. Maybe if you check your work now, not pass. After I do all this is work, you see, you want teach student, or you want teach chemistry, you want teach. He call they tell you from the couch to the bed, from the bed to the bedroom. And verse for your house. Where bed did they?
Bedroom now. That is all. Bedroom.
Maybe another thing.
Maybe na mini bed.
Maybe na mini bed. You know, say one day when I ask that question, after this one, I say, but you, why you go sing from bed to the bed? You say, no, actually it's from bathroom to the bathroom.
I didn't come from it. That's for them they give you. You know the phone you see, you don't see no difference between bed and bedroom.
No, not interference.
They get
Don't get the main bed.
Okay. So from if I put that from the water bed to
no, you know they spend on this kind of for music.
now we know now.
Maybe don't know.
We know.
now, Humble Smith, what did make you give yourself Humble Smith? You not say another name. Your name no Ojemba.
Ojemba.
I get one stage play. What do my name now Ojemba for the stage play?
I remember that stage play. Yes.
Yeah, I remember. Why your name? Why you leave Ojemba? Because if you give your name Jemba, people go say that artist where a name too sweet to the club two times. Jemba. Onyene Jemba. That the music is a Jembaist.
Oh, you know say Nedu and Humble. No, you and Humble Smith, na brother.
When I get the same face and the same height.
I tell happen.
Me why fine like this?
I don't know.
As I all like this.
Well, Humble tell me, what did make you call yourself Humble Smith? Your partner Goldsmith.
Or blacksmith.
Or blacksmith.
No, see what happened.
Warrior.
You know all those times you say your mom will carry you go some kind of places, or you follow your friends go. They go like you say my mind are too quiet, you know they talk. That's why the thing takes start. They go like, this is your friend, he's too quiet, you know they talk, he's too humble.
But my brother, people are humble and them bad.
You know say manager first.
No, something like that.
Humble.
So think on the.
In the years of the deceive people. 2011. You know say I tell you say na state. Come launch the first album. I say tell me, no say for a boy, na me be I be like Alibaba for them. I'll let me be comedian. Say look who do they want to organize the album launch. I say okay, I just charge her. After I don't charge her, I pay money. When the album launch, but you know say then Ebonyi people, they love talent but they don't want support. After we don't do poster, pay for her, for in mind he say the full town go come. And so himself and the artist went fish for the song. Himself, the artist went fish for the song. plus the ushers when we usher people come. All of us in the show. And I maybe MC. For my mind, I say I must perform for now. Because I must pay me my balance.
Our phone numbers go there open. Our phone numbers here. For those of you who want to call today, for talk to Wilmouth or talk to Humble Smith, make you begin call right now so that you go talk to them. Now, so what can make you choose the name Humble Smith? Because of say your papa, your mother don't say you humble.
No, my mama, na people.
From that experience, that
so how Smith enter the matter?
I saw the humility inside him. I can't even forget. I won't give him joy.
Hey God, I love that.
Because after the friend call, they come here fun. I don't know how to reach us. Not be joke.
Wait, man.
And they talk now so that when you don't blow, you go.
Hey God, I love that.
So that when you don't blow, you know say we join for the name.
Let's change my name. Now let's change my name.
I did change your
Because
name.
normally when people begin to talk, say this guy is too humble. So me, you know, so that time when small they grew up, one maybe they answer one kind name, they don't say big guy man. You know,
You can't answer
I can't
Smith.
choose humble, smart,
Humble, smart.
smart. So that's why I go on show like that. All this is a campus show, you know.
They
The
make
MC
mistake.
where they want me to introduce me now, they form for me. So the guy is smart, when they call smart Smith.
Now mistake, and I bring your name.
Let's make welcome
Humble
Humble Smith.
Smith.
Yes, I said you want sweet for my ear. So after the show, I can say, be like I go change.
Especially as that first smart, no smart.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Nene.
Ene, how is you?
I'm good.
Say they answer who? Now say they answer your customers. Now say they answer your customers.
Before I come,
Alpha, you never open shop this night. Sanosi from why you don't come out there?
I'm coming from United Kingdom, man.
You know, you know where.
United Kingdom. We're going to make a radical 7-7.
God will judge you. God will judge you.
You're not going to make it happen.
You now, you're not going to make heaven. You're not going to make heaven.
Darling.
We'll get Wilmouth and Humble Smith for inside studio.
I want to greet my Easy.
Hello, Akaraka, good evening.
Easy, how are you?
I'm fine.
I want to give you something on your right cheek. Oh,
He will kiss you, give you a kiss.
Return her now.
on your left cheek. Oh, under your nose.
Under your nose. I'm about to do under nose.
Akaraka, oh. Hey, wait until una ESCO meeting.
Akaraka, now where una they meet?
Is it?
Now where una you and IzyBeatz they meet?
See, Nedu, leave that side, though.
But you know where una they meet?
Leave that side, though.
But you know where una they meet?
We know ourselves. No interfere.
Oh, yeah, talk to Humble Smith.
I talk to Humble Smith and Wilmouth.
Hey, humble.
Hey, yo, mama, what's up?
Fine, you say Akaraka is Nachi. You understand?
I know it's Nachi now.
Akaraka, they call you now.
So it's Nachi finally.
How far now?
Your boy did. I just did like this. Like,
Your song makes sense. The song makes sense. That makes sense.
Hey, yeah, thanks. So.
Makes sense. God, now your inspiration, eh?
Amen. Oh. Amen.
Where am I?
I don't say you go there. Now my Igbo name is that. Yes.
Akaraka, God will judge you. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. From Abuja, good evening.
CIA enter the matter.
God winning from Abuja.
Hello.
How is you? Are you with me?
I will hear you, Katim and DJ IzyBeatz. I just been one of his kind, though.
What did we do now?
Easy, not join them.
Is it not bad pass?
You see that they drip video in the time, we can't sit down for that place. They interview is coming out, coming artist as you.
Oh, you know, upcoming artist. Which one? Which side now? Artist? I've been an artist. You be.
Artist.
You be artist.
Yes, I be artist.
My brother, the way you talk now, artist. You be.
That guy will be there. I like that guy so much.
Which one?
Which one?
Which one we put?
Humble Smith. I like the guy.
No say they resemble.
You like him?
I like him. The guy is a pure talent.
Wait. You like him talent? Have you like him? In no way.
like the talent.
I beg, I never used to go for 2 years.
Okay. I just said that we
You
know.
don't want no to clear the air.
I love that one so much.
Then you don't like whale mouth like that.
Whale mouth na clown. Need to talk past myself.
Hey, Godwin.
Anyway, Godwin, thank you very much. Good night. I'm a tweet messages now. Anita
Good evening.
from Abuja. How is you, baby?
I'm fine. How are you?
How are you, honey?
I'm fine. You look good. Why are you wearing the same cloth and the shoe with
That's how
That
we
is
roll.
how we roll.
It's
like
our
egg
talent.
roll. We roll like egg roll.
I'm
Now,
done sometimes.
it's our talent.
Yes.
I want to greet my brother IzyBeatz.
Please greet him.
You want kiss him too? You want lick it here?
I want to greet IzyBeatz, my
Please
brother.
greet
Good
him.
evening, I can hear you. Good evening.
Good evening, boy.
Oh, yes, say.
Egero.
Oh yeah. Oh yo, call your two.
Koyo.
Okay, I want to ask you something.
Who?
In case IzyBeatz,
Yeah?
in case I want to do my wedding, how much will I use to carry you?
To carry. Hey!
Now where be?
Anita, send IzyBeatz an email.
Send them email.
Or call them for reception for the same people who carry your call. Tell them. Or tweet for Instagram.
Wedding for reception.
It's
Hey, we
okay.
know now.
Just send message for Twitter.
Send
we will
us
reply you.
tweet message at W Night Show. Izzy go answer you.
Okay. I like your show. I like
Make
your
you
show.
come carry am go.
Where be them?
I like your show very well. Nedu, you know go
Thank
make
you.
heaven. No.
Now you not gonna make heaven, my sister. I will personally make sure you don't make heaven.
These are the second person.
We'll put it for prayers.
All right, from Kaduna. Good evening, Abigail.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you?
Are you is fine? How is you?
Are you with me?
I am with you.
I'm gonna talk to me. Well mouth and humble Smith in here.
Ambu Smith, you are a fine guy.
I want shift.
Wow.
I love you.
No, thank you, thank you.
Well.
I don't invest.
And wide mouth.
Well mouth.
Wide mouth.
Have you heard them call herself?
Well, madam, all of them are the same thing. Why them well?
Anyone,
This
well
is
mouth.
where the empty brother, eh?
No. It's not Zanena Kevin. You know it's just like.
Are you my check? Hey, Katim,
Ma,
why you can't wear a Nedu shirt for your leg?
when I wear Nedu shirt for my leg, you know, say as he wear my leg for his shirt.
Okay.
Yeah. You're just supposed to wear pink shoe. You wear green shoe. You can't go wear Nedu shoe.
Why? We dey walk in spirit and in truth.
We don't
That
work in
is
flesh, we
all.
work in the spirit.
Because I don't our special talent.
That's show that way you know enough.
Eh,
You know chop from house before you come to you.
and if I say you give girl belle, now the thing they think of.
He can't run, come up with
He
the
don't
girls
come
so
out with the
bad.
girl slippers.
You don't mean it.
Abigail, thank you very much. Peter from Imo, good evening.
I'm extra play.
Peter, good evening. Peter, you be man or woman?
Hey,
Hello, good evening.
Oh, get different. Oh, wow, no, get different.
Yeah, good evening. How you doing?
We don't find
Hello.
Hello.
evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Bye bye. Your television.
Your family kind they love you.
They gather to make the goal.
Good evening.
Now, and tell us about your new song Osinachi. Things about your things when you say your fans supposed to look forward to. Where they want to download this song
for the rest of the Ember months.
For the rest of the Ember months.
Yeah. You know, say from January to like where we did right now. Some people you need to like give God the glory.
Yes.
He don't protect you and everything. No. If you know say what you don't achieve for life now from God.
So you purposely wait till now to release
this
it.
song you use the appreciate God.
So January now you come to checking your bum bum.
now will be another Thanksgiving.
And another Thanksgiving.
The second Thanksgiving.
The second Thanksgiving, checking your bum
This one
bum.
a testimony.
This one a testimony.
Okay.
So in June we'll come be waiting every 6 months. We don't know now.
We want to do child education.
Hey, congratulations.
Okay, in China,
go make heaven. Na lie. You are a prophet of God.
My brother, we make heaven. I did first list. Wait, for people where just they know say you been a comedian of the Federal Republic of the country, those who want connect to you on top Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, social media, how they will take reach you?
For Twitter and Instagram, just whale mouth, then add one, number one.
Whale mouth one.
Yeah,
Whale mouth one.
WHALE. He say, Humble Smith, the same way we ask you how you met Phyno.
Phyno not be human being what they meet.
I don't know now. To the person, I don't question.
So now me say when you begin saying Phyno and IzyBeatz, you go they ask IzyBeatz how you take this Phyno.
Common sense.
Come on, and then
No, because you know it's not easy. Haven't they? You don't just come and say, Phyno, yeah,
easy,
we enter go the call.
okay.
You know, easy. Seriously.
How many years it take you to get Phyno to sing for your song?
No, let me say it take me any years now. I do my song finish, you understand?
You can't send them to her.
I can't say, man, I'm feeling I need to feature for the song. You know, the only thing I have to call him now.
Call him phone.
You know, but for him to accept you,
Another thing.
another thing. So, as him don't accept me, say, it's not cheap.
She say, I beg, waiting now, leave IzyBeatz. All this premature kissing, I not support them. See as easy they like, God will judge you.
Yeah, why are you so French chance with IzyBeatz? Sheyi, you like him?
But they no fight because of it.
I don't know.
Honestly, I love your color combination today. You both look home to take away cock.
No, you both look take home to mommy.
I'm not one.
Yeah, baby Sola.
Be like Humble Smith relate to Will Smith. It be like they resemble. And then if you be say in your bed, they sitting room before in can carry him with the babe. Humble Smith doesn't want to follow you for social media. Where they go follow you?
Yeah, follow me for Instagram. You follow me for @Humble Smith.
Okay.
End with S.
Okay.
Yeah, the same thing for Twitter.
Humble Smith.
Humble Smith. End with S.
Humble Smith, you ended with S. So. Humble Smith, so.
Humble Smith.
Humble Smith.
Humble Smith.
Humble Smith. Smith with a humble. Humble Smith. And then that was
well not whether you get any other show later this year.
Okay, wait, what is the plan? Because we not get time again.
Yeah, for now, just more of comedy skits and tear people show.
The guys a theorist.
Hopefully,
He's a theorist by nature.
Tear people show.
Teach people show. So that next year I'll gather all their show. Come from our
Anyway, double twale to everyone who support us for the show. Double twale to Wellmouth and then to Humble Smith, aka Osinachi, and then to a manager. Okay, if you want to get the songs of a Humble Smith, follow them for Instagram, download them on top of it, search them for you for website, you go see them, any internet search them, and then Wellmouth too, you go check out Wellmouth too for YouTube, you go see videos and everything. And then double twale to the manager of Humble Smith. For you, the girl, God will see you through. For the 9 months that you're coming through, God will see you through. And
We're supposed to give our people
and then some of them when we say take tweets about say Wellmouth and Humble Smith, we'll give we'll send them CDs. If you just drop by, just collect the CD just for you. Autograph, Ingo, sign them for you.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.